Hi, I'm Brock with New Age, and today I'm going to show you how to install and replace stem casters. This is our 6301 bun pan rack. It uses stem casters with a grip ring. These casters, a lot of the time, will pull straight out with some force. You can then get your new caster and install back into the pan rack. Every once in a while, you have a stuck caster that the stem on the caster is either rusted or it's got lots of debris and it won't come out easily. So you take a dead blow hammer and you can tap it out. Once you get the stubborn caster out, you can install your new caster, and that completes the replacement. For more information, visit us online at newageindustrial.com.